Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to do the pre-market analysis for the market before the week opens. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick with us until the end. Don't forget to like this video and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in it. So starting off, we're going to start off with JPYX, the Japanese yen. So we can see on the weekly time frame, we have this kind of a hammer. We have this hammer pattern from the weekly perspective, which is known as a reversal pattern. So next week, or for the coming weeks, I'll be anticipating to see JPYX give us some kind of a reversal. But until we get the confirmation, we are not going to take the trades, right? Now, if we go to the lower time frames, we can see like it's actually contradicting with what the weekly was saying. As you can see here, excuse me. As we can see here, prices have just broken below this structure, retested, and has actually, given us a bearish engulfing candlestick. So to sum it all up, right now prices are on this support structure. So should prices break below here, that means prices have a very high possibility to keep on pushing lower. However, should we see that prices are actually giving us some kind of a bullish, candlestick or some bullish momentum, then we'll understand that, okay, the bulls are back and now the reversal has begun. So it will actually all come down to what really happens right here on this support structure. So let's wait and see. Now that will actually be impacting the other currency pairs like JPY, which when we can look at it right here, we see that prices are actually still pumping higher, but right now they're in this descending, trend line. So let's see how it will react here. But as far as structures go, prices have just broken above this right here. So we might be looking to see that move right there. So Euro JPY, prices have not yet broken the structure on this one. So remember last time on the daily analysis on Thursday, I remember I told you like prices have broken below this structure here, but I don't like the way it's set up. So I won't be taking any trades. And you can see prices didn't break below this structure. They came back and broke above here. So if we would have taken the trade, it would have been a losing trade. So sometimes you just gotta go with your instincts and understand like if the pair isn't looking the way you want it to look, just don't take the trade. Just wait for the exact setup that you want before taking the trade. So now I'll be waiting to see should prices break below here, then we'll be selling. If prices break above here, then we'll be buying. Okay, now let's go to DXY, the US dollar currency index. Now switching from the weekly perspective, we can see that prices are losing momentum. They were bearish hot, but now they're losing momentum. You can see that for the last 2 weeks, prices have been closing with dodges and whatnot. And prices just touched for the third time this ascending trend line. You can see this was the first touch, this was the second touch, this is the third touch. So that means we have very high possibilities for prices to start taking off and, giving us beautiful trades on US dollar pairs. So my bias for the coming weeks is that the dollar will be strong. How will that be impacting the other currency pairs? We have USD JPY. I'll be anticipating to see prices go along. As you can see here, prices have actually already broken above this structure, so I'll be anticipating to see prices to keep on pushing higher. We have Euro USD. This is obviously inversely correlated to the US dollar. So obviously we'll be looking to see prices go short. We'll be looking for sell setups. Currently, we don't have a confirmation from the daily perspective, but obviously, if we get the confirmation, we'll be looking to go short on Euro USD. GU, same thing applies. You can see prices already tapped that, and on Friday, prices closed with some kind of a doji. So from there, I'll also be anticipating to see prices, start selling. We have also gold. Prices here have already begun selling actually. So right here, it's just a matter of continuation. So I'm anticipating to see gold sell until it reaches about 2000 or 2050, right? So that's my view on the currency pairs, what I'm anticipating them to do, how I'm anticipating them to play out. So if you found value in this video, please give us a like, consider subscribing, and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in this video. Till next time, guys, cheers.